If you buy someone a gift or cook them a meal, you might want to ask the question,
Ti piace?
do you like it? To find out if your thoughtful gesture was appreciated. The phrase is made up of the second person indirect pronoun,
Ti
you or to you, and the verb,
piacere.
to like, in the third person singular form.
Ti piace.
Piacere is quite a tricky verb for English speakers to master because the subject of the sentence is the thing that one likes. This is why, when you first start learning Italian, it's best to think of piacere as meaning to please or to be pleasing, rather than to like.
Ti piace?
Do you like it? Literally, does it please you or is it pleasing to you? To complicate matters, the subject it is always omitted from the phrase ti piace because it's implicit. In other words, what you're actually saying is, do you like? The same rule applies if the subject is them, except that you'd use the third person plural form
Piacciono.
instead of the third person singular piace.
Ti piacciono?
Do you like them? Do they please you? Are they pleasing to you? In most other cases, the subject is required. Note that the word order is flexible in that the subject can come before or after ti piace, ti piacciono. For example,
Ti piace il caffè?
or
Il caffè ti piace?
do you like coffee? Does coffee please you? You can respond to these questions in the following manner.
Sì, mi piace.
Yes, I like it. Yes, it pleases me.
Sì, mi piace un sacco.
Yes, I like it a lot. Yes, it pleases me a lot.
No, non mi piace.
No, I don't like it. No, it doesn't please me.
No, non mi piace per niente.
No, I don't like it at all. No, it doesn't please me at all.
Ti piace questo vestito? No, non mi piace tanto. Preferisco questo qui.
Do you like this dress? No, I don't really like it. I prefer this one here. All the forms we've mentioned up until now are informal. The formal equivalent, which should always be used with older people and those you don't know very well, is
Le piace?
or.
Le piacciono?
The verb piacere can also be used to say that you like a person romantically. Although Italians will often include the pronoun or name of the person in question, the phrase can be used on its own. The question, ti piace, in this case means, do you like her or him? And
Mi piace.
means, I like him or her.
È da stamattina che non fai altro che parlare di questa ragazza. Di la verità, ti piace?
You haven't stopped talking about this girl all morning. Tell me the truth, you like her.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.